Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District Abhilash Baranwal, Ula Ibor ki Block Development Officer BDO, Ban Bishar bat ban rai ki Sngi kha bat Sngi yap jangki Briew ki badan haki Shillong ki bahap haki Block jangki. Baranwal ula yathu haki nong thok Khubor ba ula pun Khuborom me ki BDO ban Bishar bat ban rai ki Sngi kha bat Sngi yap jangki Briew ki basang basa haki Shillong haki Block baki pet kat kum ki kendon jagaan Registration of Births and Death Act 1969. Ula ong kani kajing pun Khubor ki BDO kan pesuk ki pat ba ban yok lo ki certificate Sngi kha bat Sngi yam kam tam ki pat ba hakinong kendong.
So birth certificate, whenever people try to get birth certificate for their children, if the children are more than 1 year of age, they have to get an order from a magistrate certifying that the child has been born, and so that the necessary birth certificate can be issued by the nearest public health center, or let's say community health center. However, till now people had to come to Nongpo to get these orders from magistrates or ADMs. Now we have authorized our BDOs, who are also executive magistrates, to take hearing of such people who want to get their birth certificates and issue orders from their end. With that order, they can go to their respective PSC, CSCs and get these birth certificates.
So we have taken this step because we want to bring administration closer to people. We want to make administration as much accessible to them as possible, so that they do not have to come to Nongpo altogether. People will not have to come from Mohati, Umsneng, faraway places, all the way to Nongpo to get these orders. They can go to their respective block offices and get this done. So from in Ribhoi, yes, I'm not aware whether it is happening in other parts of the Meghalaya or not. But as far as I know, in other districts, probably it is being done from the district only.